Try listening to me for a moment. Don't skip. I know sometimes women can confuse the hell out of you. One minute she's super sweet, it feels like she genuinely cares about you. Then the next day she's cold, replies once every hour. Even when you ask her out, she seems uninterested, even though she said it herself, I want a serious guy, someone genuine. But when you show up with good intentions, she slowly pulls away. And this is where most guys give up. They think, she's not into me. But bro, it's not that simple. What most guys don't realize is this. When she starts pulling away, it often happens when she's actually starting to feel something for you. Yeah, I know it sounds weird, but it's real. Reason 1, she's afraid of her own feelings. A lot of women today have been hurt before, lied to, given false hope, then abandoned. So when she meets a guy who makes her feel comfortable, her mind starts to panic. Because deep feelings make her vulnerable again. She's afraid of losing control, so she pulls back first, creates distance, so she doesn't fall too deep. And this is where most guys mess up. The moment she pulls away, they chase even harder. Longer texts, more messages, constant questions like, what's wrong? Did I do something wrong? When in reality, the more you chase, the more certain she becomes about pulling away, because she sees you becoming needy, looking for validation. Solution, stay calm. So what should you do? Relax. If she pulls back, don't panic. Give her space. Stay calm. Stay yourself. Your only job is this: show her that you're a stable man, and that's exactly when she starts to respect you more. Reason 2, she's testing you. Besides fear, sometimes she's testing you. She wants to know, are you strong? Are you stable? Will you panic? That's why sometimes today she's sweet, tomorrow she's cold. Today she asks to meet, tomorrow she cancels. It's not always because she's not serious, but because she's watching your reaction. Solution, don't be reactive. If you stay calm, no drama, no demanding answers, that's when her respect goes up. But if you overreact, long texts, demanding clarity, instant turnoff, because now she sees you don't have control over yourself. Reason 3, past trauma. There are also cases where she pulls away because of her past. You've been good, genuine, consistent, but she's still cold. Why? Because she's scared. Scared that happiness is temporary. Scared you'll turn into the guy who hurt her before, so she pulls back to protect herself. Solution, don't be the savior. The mistake guys make here, they try to be the hero, forcing her to talk, forcing her to open up when she's not ready. What should you do? Be there, but don't force it. Stay consistent, stay calm, and slowly she'll start to trust you again. Reason 4, she wants to see if you'll chase. Sometimes she just wants to see your reaction. She won't ask, do you love me? She'll watch your actions. And this is where many guys fail. The moment she pulls away, they chase like crazy. Too much attention, too much effort. And what happens? She loses interest. Solution, keep your frame. What she actually wants is simple. You stay relaxed. You stay yourself. You don't panic. You still ask her out if you want. You still communicate normally. But you don't force it. You don't beg. That's the difference between a man who leads and a man who chases. The core message. So here's the truth, bro. Women test you not because they're evil, but because they're filtering men. They're looking for a man who can handle pressure, who is stable, who doesn't easily fall apart. And one important thing, a strong man is not the most romantic one, not the most generous one, but the most stable one, the one who has self-control. You give her space. You don't force validation. You don't lose yourself just because she changes. Closing. So from now on, if a woman suddenly becomes cold, take it slow. Don't panic. Don't overreact. Focus on your life, your work, your hobbies, your friends. Let her see you have your own world. And trust me, bro, women respect men who don't get shaken easily. Remember one thing. Never be afraid of losing a woman. The real thing you should fear is losing your self-respect just to chase one. Because once respect is gone, everything is over. All right, bro, that's it. Hope you understand things better now. Thank you, and I hope this helps.